takes these molds, and we have put about 300 of them in our machine. And sometimes we put solid chocolate in. Sometimes we put chocolate with centers in. Sometimes we put something inside the chocolate, like Rice Krispies or almonds and things like that, and we'll put it in a mold like this. And the chocolate will go in there, and it will cool for about 30 minutes, and then it will be demolded, which we'll do kind of all that process. What we have in our machine is we have a depositor that will deposit into this mold, and we have right here, what we're going to do today is we're just going to put something, it's called chocolate coating. There's a difference between chocolate coating and real chocolate. Real chocolate has something called cocoa butter in it, and it's a little bit harder to work with. So we're going to use something today called chocolate coating, or compound coating that we call. So what I'm going to do is hopefully not make a mess here. I'm going to pour chocolate coating into this mold. We're going to shake it out to vibrate it out, and then we're going to let it cool. And then at the end of the time, we'll try to demold it and see what it looks like. And we might even be able to eat a little bit of it. All right? Sound good? So this is chocolate compound coating in here, and it's fairly warm right now. I wanted to make sure it was. This will should set up rather quickly. If you have a refrigerator, sometimes it will certainly set up much faster. We're going to just try it, and then at the end of the time, we'll try to demold it and see what happens. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fill up these molds. Here we go. It's not real difficult, but.
Is that what we do?
We don't do this by hand, the machine does it.
Why don't you do it by hand?
Just because it's a lot quicker if you have a machine. It'll do what I'm doing here in about 30 seconds. It'll do in about less than 10 seconds, or less than even 5 seconds. You vibrate it out. So that's what we've done, and that's what our machine will do. And just like your teacher said, it would make it even and make it full. So what we're going to try to do, what we're going to do right here is we're going to find the coolest place in our room, if there is a coolest place.
Yes.
Okay.
He is sanitary.
Okay. All right. So here's what we're going to try. So in our machine, we have something that's called a demolder. So like I said before, the machine, the mold will go through the chocolate for about 30 minutes, and it goes. Typically, it's at about 50 to 55 degrees for 30 minutes, and then what happens is in the machine, the mold will turn over, and then there's something that's called a hammer that will knock the back of the mold. So we're just gonna bang it, and we'll see if they come out.